guys, welcome to the channel. We're here with another video and we are excited about this product. I know my daughter and I are definitely excited. It is an automatic litter box. The cat's a little sleepy right now, guys, so we don't know if he's gonna, Charlie, we don't know if he's gonna hang around much. But yeah, my daughter's loving the cats. We wanted a self litter box for a while. They're a little pricey. This one is, I believe this one's $6.99. This should be the top of the line litter box on the market from what my research shows. So I went ahead and picked this up, and I want to do a review for Adam so he can put this on his channel because it's perfect. It's a robot. Let's do it. We're going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to set it up real quick and do a self-test. First impressions video. And then hopefully in, I would say, 3 weeks to a month, I can do a full review and recommend this product to you guys. There's an app on it. So the idea is the cat goes into the litter box, does its thing. 10-15 minutes later, there's a delay in the app. It turns on, it sifts through the litter, and the clumpy dump goes down into a bin. This has lasers that tells you the level of the bin at all times. So when you're on your app, it'll show you the exact level of the dirt bin. That's awesome. If the cat goes to get into it while it's running, there's sensors to shut it off so the cat can't get hurt. So guys, this is going to be a great product. I know that it will be from the other reviews that I've seen, but this is our unboxing, and here we go. You got your phone with the information?
Oh, what does it say?
That's the armor for you and your cats. Designed and assembled in the USA.
Your days of scooping are over.
Yeah, good presentation, guys. So we got the power cord, and the instruction book is right up top. Oh yeah, it's nice, guys. So I've already got the app, so we're gonna take this out of the box. Oh, this is really nice. Look how big the opening is. This has the biggest opening in the industry. Some of the other litter boxes have a small opening, and I heard that this is fully assembled and ready to go. Nice presentation.
What should we?
I think we just pick it up right here. Right out of the box. Alright, this is nice. And this is an accessory that I bought. The cat jumps out, gets on this. Oh yeah. Look how big the opening is. Wow. My daughter's gonna help. She's gonna set this up real quick. Bring you guys closer here. Yeah, my first impressions is good quality, for sure. I've seen other ones that do not come with a step. So the cat can jump up on the step, get right at, look how, oh my gosh, this thing is nice. Big opening. Yeah, there you go. What do you think of that? Yeah. This is one of the best robotic litter boxes on the market, and we're going to find out and put it through its paces and see if it really is. Yes, guys, we just want to do a short unboxing. You've got your controls here, a bunch of different switches. Got the little doors to come off. So the idea here, guys, is this is good for a month and a half of self-cleaning. And then we'll have to take it apart, which is very simple, I heard. We'll let you guys know in the full review. Take it apart, you take it outside, and you wash it. So Belissa's gonna plug this in. We're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna put it through its test cycles.
Oh, the lid doesn't, oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, that's cool. This comes back, and the dome comes out. Oh, easy.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, that's easy to clean.
Wow.
Yeah, guys, this is plastics, pretty good quality plastics from what I could tell. The back doors, a little flimsier, but it's not going to matter because that doesn't really move. But yeah, first impressions, pretty high quality. This mat is very high quality. and it just lifts up, and then you can dump the litter that goes on this mat into the trash. The drawer, got this grippy drawer, comes right out, big drawer for waste. There's an extra bag underneath there, ready to go when you pull this one out. This thing has sensors, guys. So there's sensors up here. There's gonna be sensors in the bin where the laser goes down. It actually is laser from what I heard. But we'll do the full review later. This was an unboxing. We're gonna go in and turn this on, and let's put it through a cycle. Let's turn it on and watch it turn. So this one here, right now, the litter would be going through. You can see a lot of the real thin, fresh litter would go right underneath there. And the rest would go filter through the vent. And then right down the chute. Now if I put my hand in here, it's gonna stop spinning. See? Then knew a cat went in. Now if I come out of it, it should start back up, but it might not. It may be interrupted and I have to do something on the app. Okay, so yeah. So there you guys go. The sensor worked fine. Okay, so right now it's sifted all the way through, and then this one goes back the other direction. And then it's gonna seal it off, because you see the seals there? Right now it's gonna be sealed off. So hopefully the smell will not be bad. I can barely hear that running, guys. So my daughter and I are gonna go on. We're gonna get this put in the basement where it's gonna go. We're gonna fill this thing up with litter, and we are gonna start the process and see. We're gonna love it. I can tell you that right now. We're gonna love this one. This is top of the line. It's $6.99, guys. So in the link, in the description, we're gonna have a link so you can buy this. And leave some comments if you have one of these. I know that this is a pretty newer product. This is the Litter Box 4. This company sells the Litter Box 3 right now also. It's a little cheaper, and it's fantastic from the reviews. It's been on the market so long, all the bugs are worked out. This one here, from what the research I've seen, most of the bugs are worked out of this one also. And I have the app on my phone ready to go. I'm gonna link this to the app, and we're gonna get this thing full litter, and I will definitely update you guys and put another video shortly. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.